Realme recently launched Realme Q3 series in China. All three devices in this series are 5G, and out of which Realme Q3i 5G is the cheapest 5G smartphone in the world that will cost you as low as $169. There are two variants in this phone, 4GB plus 128GB, which will cost you for $169, and another is 6GB and 128GB, which will cost you around $185. Coming to its specification, the Realme Q3i 5G succeeds the Realme Q2i 5G from last year. However, it brings a lot of upgrades at a similar price. The device comes in two colors, that is light blue and particle ash. Realme Q3i 5G gets what Realme claims to be a trendy design, and the back has curved edges to improve the ergonomics. The device measures 8.5mm in thickness and weighs around 185 grams. There is a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus LCD display with a punch hole at the top left. The display has a resolution of Full HD Plus, also comes with a 90Hz refresh rate and 600 nits of maximum brightness. Under the hood, the Q3i 5G features a MediaTek Dimensity 700 5G chipset coupled with 4GB or 6GB. There is an interesting feature of DRE, that is dynamic RAM expansion, that virtually makes a 6GB RAM function smoothly like an 8GB variant. For cameras, the device has a triple camera on the back comprising of 48MP primary sensor plus 2MP plus 2MP of other sensors. Up front, there is a 16MP selfie camera to take beautiful selfies. Other features include 5000 mAh of battery with a 18W fast charging support, and it runs on Realme UI 2.0 based on Android 11. So these are the things we know so far about this phone, and this phone is an amazing smartphone that is the cheapest smartphone with the 5G support. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button to share this video among your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.